day, I want us to keep pushing and thinking about how we can do design. Because I mean, a nice thing is if you have some downtime and you want to earn some extra money, you don't have to have a license to do landscape design. So you can always charge people for projects and plans, and then you can get some extra cash doing it that way. But anyways, so what I want us to do is let's take some time and let's talk about each person's projects, and then at the end, after that, I want to talk about project implementation, like how you can do actual implementation of our different plans. And that's going to be talking about phasing and economics of plans and trying to really think how you can move from concept to installation as effectively as possible. So before we get going, does anybody have any questions?
I want to know what you recommend for plants if you don't want the dogs in your yard.
So yeah,
To recommend some plants that dogs would not like.
that's really tough because some plants, I would think things with like a coarser texture could be well. Just because I know a lot of animals, they'll have sensitive feet. So if they don't like walking on it, they'll avoid it. Or if they find it uncomfortable, they won't come into it.
I was thinking about blackberries.
Blackberry brambles.
Yeah, all along the front.
Well, before we get going, does anybody else have any other questions? Because we can answer specific questions as each one of us talks about design or what we're thinking about or what we have been working on with our projects. All righty. So we can do a couple things. I can kind of show you what I did so you can see my process that I kind of worked on real quick, because I would love for y'all to give me some feedback. And because my next stage is like, I would love to hear what you all say. And then, maybe I'll take that and I'll move it into a possibility as the next phase of design. And then, maybe that can open up the door for you all to do it afterwards. Would that be okay?
Sure.
All right. So let me get the second camera running. I feel like if I had enough time to digitize this would make it much easier. But that was going to be a lot. It ended up being way more than I anticipated to try to do that. So you all are getting my sketches. So I'm going to